Hey, I'm here with my man Darrell right here. Look, we just got some charges in Bergen dropped, and now we're here in Paterson, in Passaic. Darrell, what's up?
What's up? He's doing a good job. He's getting the job done. He's a very hard-working man. Come check him out.
Thanks, man. Look, he's getting embarrassed, but you know what? When they trumping up charges on you and some bullshit, you got to protect yourself, and that's why we're here in Paterson to defend my brother.
To get the job done.
Well, tell him what happened in Bergen County.
We got the charges dismissed.
Yeah, and what was that?
Very serious charge that he got dismissed.
Word up. We ain't gonna get into the specifics, but they try to trump it up. My man, what do you think?
Okay.
But this is what we do, man. So hopefully everything's gonna go well here too.
Yeah.
We have another little issue to mop up. He's got, no criminal record, so it's worth defending. You are worth defending. Absent defense is something called tyranny. Tyranny is something when the establishment does something and they hold the people to a different standard. It's like 2/3 of the legislature today admitted to smoking weed. Meanwhile, they out here handing out real time over some weed. Anyways, tell them again what happened in Bergen.
It's dismissed.
Yeah. So now, God willing, we're on the next thing. Another trick that we use is a conditional discharge. We use a lab report defense. We love our defenses. So we love our people out here. My man, thanks. And any parting words of wisdom?
I don't even know.
All right.
I'm a little shy.
All right. But that's what it is. I'm gonna take y'all out. Hey man, I'll be in touch. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna take y'all out right out the door here. We're in Paterson. I used to work here as a pool attorney. I'm very comfortable here. I was just before Judge Jacobs. Very, very fine judge. Paterson is amazing because it's got a newer building. This is real time. That's how we do it. That's how you know it's legit. Nothing fake about this. Take care, bud. Had to clear the room for a trial. So now we're on our way to Union. You know that. We are definitely on our way to Union. And it is now raining, but we don't care. We have business to attend to. We are on the streets of Paterson. And while I have you, while it's a little boring, lawyers are some of the most boring people in the world. And if you get to be superior at boring, and I mean really, really effective at being boring, pretty much you got to fart dust for that. Then they give you a black robe. But only then will they give that to you. So, look. A lot of people will ask me, hey, look, how can you defend people that might be guilty? And I remind them, honestly, we're all worth defending. And out here in these streets in Paterson, a lot of these people do not have the same opportunities that I had and like you had, listener. So don't judge. Man is not a good judge of man. Look at what they did to Christ. That was a state-sanctioned murder. Murder. What's up, player? Anyways, we out here doing it good. A lot of construction here. But, the streets of Paterson riddled with drug abuse. I said something in my earlier broadcast here. I said something in my earlier broadcast that unfortunately, the scourge of heroin has kind of come back in full force. And but we're fighting it, one case at a time. And keep your eyes open for my man Vincent Dino Terrace. He's a friend of mine who's a licensed certified drug and alcohol counselor. Groups like the Valentine Foundation that I was on the board on for many years. Treatment for addiction and mental health treatment That's really where we need to be. You know, unfortunately, the jails have become the de facto healthcare facilities. So that's just real. So this is where I used to work. Everybody knows this place is Grand Street, Passaic Superior. We're on the street here. That's how we do it. Definitely coming down, rain coming down a little bit. And for those of you who like to laugh at me, my wife took my GMC Black Beauty to the dealership to get the tune up and all that. You know, got to keep it right. But unfortunately, my Blazer and my file were in there. But it didn't matter. You know, when you're an experienced old lawyer, see all these gray hairs? These are all earned. You know, every gray hair comes from a battle fought. So I'm proud to wear them. It's the way God wants it. You know, wisdom doesn't come cheap. So anyhow, but back to the question, how do you defend guilty people? Let me tell you, when you get to know them, they're just like you and I. So right after this, I'm going to Union County, which is another gorgeous county in New Jersey. Do you know how many counties there are in New Jersey? Come on, New Jersey. Come on, watchers, friends, family. How many counties are in New Jersey? I'll tell you, 21. You know how many municipalities there are? I bet you don't. Over 600. That's truth. So it's not debatable. You can't choose your own facts. So here we are. Yeah, I got the wife's car. Let's say goodbye to Paterson. Of course, if you need anything, people, let me know. Criminal or civil, we'd run the gamut. We got great people. I might actually go live in Union. That's where I got my start, in Union Juvenile Court. So say goodbye to Paterson. Love to everybody. Bye.